How to create 3D text particle like this in After Effects using Stardust plugin. First, I'll create a new composition, make it full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to Text, type your text. Press S to increase it. Go to a line to put your text into the metal. If you don't see a line, you can go to Window and check a line. Create a new solid, name it Stardust. Go to Effects and Presets, type Stardust. Drag and drop effect on Stardust layer. Hide text layer. Go to Emitter. Set point to text/mask. Then go to Layer Properties. Set None to Text Layer. Now the particles jump to where the text. Increase particles per second to 10,000. Set speed to 5. Change Z to 50. Open particle properties. Change size to 5. Size random to 100. Go to Color and choose Random for Gradient. Open Color Gradient. Presets, and you can choose your colors you want. Go to Overlife, Size, Presets. Create a new camera. Go to Camera Tools. And see, now we have a 3D text layer. Go to Shadow Properties. Check Shadow. Change distance to 20. Decrease opacity and decrease blur. Add a new solid. Name it Background. Go to Effect, Generate, Gradient Ramp. Choose your colors. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.